This is the Aftershokz Air wireless bone conduction headphones. As you can see on the box we're about to open. This is the red color. It's called the Canyon model. It's sweat resistant, great stereo, 6-hour battery life, and you can see that it is the AS650. So now we've got the wrapping off. And we can see in here where we just have to take this out. A little bit tricky. There we go. I've got to peel this tape off. Oh, there we go. It says peel this way. There. Now there's the headphones. A little bit of an instruction card and some accessories. This is the most important part of this box, which is this serial number card. You absolutely do want to register this for your 2-year warranty, because I've dropped these before and I've broken them, and Aftershokz has a fabulous, absolutely fabulous warranty process. You get them within a week or so, and I would highly recommend that when you get these Aftershokz that you immediately register for this warranty. It's a very good warranty. So here we have, these guys are taped in. There. A little bit tricky to get that tape off. But you can see I'm using some scissors here to pry the tape here up. Okay. And there. So now I just peel this off. I'm going to actually use the scissors here to cut this. There. So this is the red Aftershokz, and inside the accessories bag, so there's nothing in here. Inside here they give you some ear plugs, but I find that just sticking my pinky in my ear when I'm on a phone call is all that I need. And in here is a charging cable. I'm going to use these scissors to open this up. So it's got the standard USB, and it's got instructions in multiple languages. But the quick start here is to just plug it in and charge it up. The place that you charge it up is right here. You pry this open with your fingernail, if I have any fingernails left. There we go. That flips up. You take the power cord and plug it in. Oops, I had it backwards. That's a tight fit. There it goes. Snaps in. It does not come with a charger, so you'll have to plug this into a USB charger and charge it up before you use it. When it's plugged in and charging, you can look straight down and you'll see a red light on. That red light means it's charging, and when it turns blue, it's fully charged. Now we're going to synchronize the Aftershokz with my phone. So I've got the phone open to settings, Bluetooth, and you can see the other Bluetooth devices. This watch that I have on is my watch. So now I'm going to turn on the Aftershokz, and you'll hear it say welcome, and it's flashing red and blue, and right here, Air by Aftershokz. What we're going to select, you see the swirling, and now Air by Aftershokz. It's now connected. It is that easy.